Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and this is a short update video. Before we get into the narration on that, I was going to tell you why there was no video last week. We were trying to look at the Ashtabula County barn quilt trail subjects and went to about 12 different places and didn't see anything that was safe to fly around, so we passed on that project and decided to do a couple updates this week. So this one is on the Harpersfield Dam / eel trap update or upgrade. And remember, they blocked off half of the Grand River here in northeastern Ohio. And we're going to fly up over, and you're going to be able to see now a couple of sections of the new dam and eel trap. We're coming up on one here where you see the curved section. That's the upriver section, and then the downriver section you see is flat. It's got a flat front surface and a flat area so that the water will spill over that, and the eels will be trapped on the downriver side. You see the form work and some of the rebar sticking out, and then there's a couple of concrete rails you see there. What that is that's the remnants of the old dam that was here. And then we're coming up on another section where you see the forms and a section of the new dam, which has been poured here with the rounded top on the downriver side and the flat side, the trap side on the on the downriver side. There's still a lot of construction going on. You see a wall that they're going to be building along the edge there to contain the Grand River even during flood stages. And there's a lot of stuff lying around here as they work on it. They had a huge crane in here when they were cutting up the old dam and in sections and then hauling it out. That's how they got rid of the old dam, which you'll see here in a section. Here's more or another look at the rebar and form work that they have, and then they come in here and pour the new structure. But just beyond the formwork and that new section of dam, you can see a hollow triangular section of the old dam. And as I said, they were down here with diamond saws cutting through the old dam and lifting them out of there. And then there's a couple of huge water pumps there, and those orange things on the lower left side. Anyways, this was just a quick stop by to bring you up to speed on what's going on here. They'll get this finished hopefully before the end of the year. Thanks for stopping by. We'll have another update video later in the week. Leave a comment if you're so inclined, and stop back again soon.